Man, these is fire. I don't know what y'all talking about. Cue the intro.
I'm an addict for sneakers, 20s a Buddha and bitches with beepers. In the streets I could greet you about
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Nature Lil G, often imitated, never duplicated, bring you the best on face of the game. Yo, before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you can stay in tune with everything that I got going on, bro. We do got some fire. Plus, we are still doing a Travis Scott Jordan 1 giveaway. Just make sure you follow those rules. Card up there, or maybe it's up there. I ain't done it in a minute. Let's get it. So, you already know what time it is. Your boy got these joints right here. You already see the boom, you already see the box, you know what I'm saying? Silver box, all these holes, yellow paper, but you know where it is around here. We don't care about no box. We care about what's inside the box. And we got these joints right here. Boom, the off-white rubber dunk, whatever they call on it. Yo, some people are calling these joints trash. Me, yeah, bro, y'all kind of tripping. These right here is fire. It's a lot of things that I like about the shoe. And I'm not gonna even act like I'm the biggest Nike dunk aficionado. But this joint right here is like straight fire, and there's a lot of things that I like about it. Let's go ahead, take it to the table, get up close and personal with these joints. I'm going to put them on feet, just in the crib, and then, you know, maybe real soon I got us a very, very special on feet for these joints and a few other joints, you know what I'm saying? We got some fire. But anyway, let's go ahead, take it to the table and get up close and personal with these joints. Let's go. Boom, the Nike off-white dunks. Yo, these things are straight fire to me. It's a lot of things about the shoe that I do like. The shoe actually kind of reminds me of the LeBron 3. I'll try to put a picture right here. You know what I mean? Obviously, it's because of like the lines right here, but it's a lot of aspects about this shoe that I do like. They do come with an extra set of laces, lime green laces. On the bottom of the shoe, you already know what time it is. Got that dunk outsole right there, you know what I'm saying, black. Got the air bubble right there. Got the orange tag right there, infamous. You know what I mean? On the back of the shoe, you do have Nike Air there. This is like a suede material, good use of materials. This right here is like nylon, as you can see. You know what I mean? But it is kind of firm, kind of stiff. You know what I mean? I'm not really sure how they feel on feet. The tongue does have that exposed tongue, like so. Inside the shoe, whew, I gotta take that out of there. Inside the shoe, you do see that off-white branding with the Nike sign in the inside. Size tag there also. On the shoelaces, they do say shoelaces with that classic off-white branding. As you can see, go ahead and focus that in for you guys. Toe box, lime around there, but this part right here, it's kind of like a like, I don't want to say like neoprene, but it's not like it's not actually, it's kind of like, it feels like rubber. You know what I mean? That's kind of weird. On the toe box right there, you do have that suede also. Geez, every time I put my finger there, you know what I mean? I don't know. Toe box got that suede. Inside the shoe, you do have that off-white situation right there, all that branding. This is like off the off like inside the shoe, you know what I mean? It's not like in there, you can see, you know what I mean? Yo, these joints are straight fire, you know what I mean? I really like them. I don't know, a lot of people are saying they're trash, but you know, this review, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna talk about sizing, because that's what you really want to know. Like, if you are a person that like the shoe is not going for a whole bunch of money, but I think it's going for like 3 something on StockX, and probably like, I don't know, probably like even 4 something on GOAT. So you want to be on point, knowing how the shoe fits, what size to go for, you know what I mean? So you don't play yourself out here in this game, you know what I mean? Spend that bread and then can't even enjoy the shoes. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and give you that, from my opinion. But let's go ahead and throw these things on feet. Also, it does have that orange tag on there, you know what I mean? This one, it doesn't have any off-white branding, but the tag is kind of like a suede material. You know what I mean? So it's not just plastic. It has like suede on the tag. Let me see if I can show you guys that. I don't know if you guys can see that. See if you can see that it has a little motion in the ocean. Yeah, that tag got a little motion in the ocean. You can't really tell, you know what I mean? But it's like a little suede material on that. But who cares about that? Let's go ahead and throw these things on feet so you guys can see that. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you should get these joints if you're trying to go ahead and get your size and you don't want to waste that money. Let's get it.
Ikaw pala'y mayroong ibang minamahal. Di mo pinagtapat noong una pa lang. Nang sana tayo ay hindi na nagtagal at nagmahal.
Yo, so how did you guys like that on feet? Yo, I think these are I think these are dope, man. I'm definitely gonna keep these in the collection. Me personally, I don't know what you guys thinking. Should I go ahead and get rid of them? But let's go ahead and talk about sizing, because size does matter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, go ahead and go true to size with these joints. These do have it doesn't feel like a really big shoe, but it does, like, I don't know, it feels comfortable. You know, I got my size 9. It doesn't feel too big. It's definitely not too tight. You know, I'm not like the biggest dunk guy. This is probably like the first pair of dunks that I have in my collection. I did have the Biotechs, but I got rid of those. So yeah, this is the first dunk that's inside my my collection. And yo, it is definitely gonna stay, not because it's off-white, but because I think it's like a new take on the dunk. You know what I mean? All the dunks I've seen, I've never seen a dunk with the air bubble there. You know what I mean? I don't know if that's a first, you know what I mean, or if that's like, you know, it's trash or whatever. Anyway, I think it's dope. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna act like I know everything about the dunks, but this is my first time ever buying a pair for myself, and definitely a pair that I'm going to keep. You know what I mean? So I'm keeping them in the collection. I think they're fire. I think they're dope. You know what I mean? And it's a little bit different. Right now, if you're trying to get a pair, I definitely will hop on top of that while the price is down. You know, the hype is not there. So go ahead and get in there, you know what I mean, before everybody started getting all hyped up and then jacking the price up, and then you're gonna be pissed that you didn't get a pair, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that part. Anyway, before we leave, let me go ahead and give you some of this positive feedback, some of this positive reinforcement that we all need in the game. Let me put these things down. Yo, so here it is. Here's a positive quote for you guys today, and this is something that I try to live by. You make life out of what you have, not what's missing. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know, that's kind of deep. You know what I'm saying? I put that on you. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully you understand, you know what I mean? But if you don't, leave a comment down below. No, I'm stop playing so much, man. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Thanks for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Yo, like, comment, subscribe. Give me all that feedback. I love that shit. And I guess I'll just talk to you guys next time. Till the next video, because we do have a lot coming. Peace.
Can't see myself getting out the game no time soon.